Hey guys, being here. Today I'm going to show you a line-based family, so which you can change the size of the panel, the height, the width, and also it's automatic create an array of this panel and then with the last one. So let's start. First create a generic model and go to the front view, create some reference plans. So this will be the height. Create a height parameter. I'll just change that to instance. And this one will be the width. Also instance. And then go to floor plan, RP, create two reference plan, dimension and equal. Then create a thickness parameter. Now create extrusion and lock all the edges onto the reference plane. Go to front, check, go drag up, lock into this one as well. So this is the panel we're going to use. So also if you want to, you can just create the material and that's it. So now we need to create the line based family. So go down to generic model line based and load this panel into this one. So okay, so let me drag this a little bit further. So okay, so first I just move it here. Okay, so we need some reference planes. So the first one will be here, and let's call it single panel width. I'll just use here instance, and then you can click on that one and just link this width to single panel width. Okay, turn this off. So you can say always automatic match. So okay, so we need another reference plane here. Also give it single panel width, and then I'll move this to here. Let me just align this and lock, and I'll array. Use this array 2 second 1 2, and I'll lock. Which one should I lock? Oh, actually, I can lock if I lock this one onto here, and then lock this one onto here. Looks like I don't need this one, so I'll delete this one, and let me move it and align this one to here. So now we can also select one of the array, and then you can click on here, add parameter. So this is a number of the array. So what we need to do is we need to calculate how many of these to fill in this length. So we can go here, number equals length divide by single panel width, and give it bracket and round down. Okay, so now this array will automatically change the number. So if I make it longer, see, it automatically change the numbers to fill in the length. So all good. And then let me copy one of this family, ungroup it, and then I'll create should I create a different type? Maybe I don't need to, because these are all instant. So what I need to do is unlink this parameter, and then instead I'll then create a new. So this will be the end panel width, and I'll change to instance, and OK, and then so what I can do is I can align this panel to here, and so go back to family type. We just need to have a formula for this end panel width. So end panel width equals length minus length minus length minus bracket single panel width times number. So and see, yep, all good. So then I need to just so see, this is the reference line. Just need to align this panel onto the reference line. So and select the one of the group and edit group. And then I can link, create a height, panel height. I'll just hide the font. And okay, and the thickness where else? Material. Okay, so and also all these are fine, and then this one we need to link the thickness, also the height. So let's flex this family. So change the thickness to maybe 20. Good. Single panel width. Good. Height 100. Good. And if I change this, so looks okay, but because array, you can the minimum array numbers too. So if I change this length to be shorter than 2 of the panel width. Let me try this. Say, so it will have issue. And also, if I change the length equals like for example 3 times the, what's the panel width? Single panel width 900. So for example, if I change to 2700, and then this panel will have problem as well. So let me try 2700. See, so it's okay. It automatic fix by just delete this panel, but I don't really want Revit to fix it for me. I'll stop here today. So tomorrow we'll see how we can fix this, and to make it, you can even have just only one single panel here, and then also have arrays with the end panel. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow.